The question is, you want to learn more about Shopee CPAS? So that CPAS stands for Shopee Collaborative Ads, and you're asking whether is there any course or any content. In fact, there are some free courses on my YouTube channel. You can try to search for it like Facebook CPAS, Meta CPAS, and stuff like that. But I would say those are, kind of outdated, but you can still use the framework and sort of try to figure out how to apply the campaign on your own. But if you want to have a more reliable way and more guided way to learn this, and by not just learning, but immediately we work together to build the campaign together so that you're running on an optimized framework and structure, especially now aligned with Andromeda. And along the way, of course, I will want you to learn everything. I will take you through that, how to set up the campaign, how to understand the structure, how to analyze the campaign, how to optimize the campaign. So if you want to actually do that, I have a one-on-one program, which is my one-on-one Meta Ads coaching. So this is actually a very straightforward. We're going to meet once a week for 30 minutes. And each week we do something. Like first week, we're going to understand your need and we're going to build a campaign together. And then after that, on the following week, we're going to see what's working, what's not working. And then we do the tweak. And the third week and fourth week, usually we would actually take about a month to stabilize. But of course, you want to take it further because a lot of my clients work with me on a weekly basis. Some of my clients that has been staying with me for years now, because the thing is, you have your business to run. You may not be able to really learn this and implement this on your own, but sometimes most of my clients needs like a kind of like a fallback. And to them is they just want to work with somebody to discuss idea, to bounce idea, to go through the seasonality, to go through the strategic planning and all that, so that we can take the campaign, further and further, one step at a time. So anyway, there is no, what do we call, minimum requirement that you need to work with me. It's a monthly subscription. You can come in and work with me for 1 month first. And if you find it useful, then we can continue. Otherwise, I'll make sure that you learn something. At least you have a campaign up and running right away. Okay, so that's something that you're looking for. Then scan this QR code. Let's have a quick chat. And then after that, I'll share with you more about the program, the details and all that. If it's a good fit, then we work together. Otherwise, I'll see how I can actually point you to the right direction to, make sure that you are able to get your CPAS campaign up and running in the most optimum way.